Hello friends, I am Anvesha and I welcome all of you to my channel Aspiring Banker Anvesha. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. And I make videos on English for bank exams. In the description box, I have given the link to the English playlist. Go to the playlist and watch all the videos. The videos will be very beneficial for you. For all of you, new batches are getting launched on Unacademy. From 31st of December, there will be a price hike. Okay, the prices are going to increase. So if you are willing to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, this is the right moment. This is the right time. Subscribe to Unacademy Plus for giving an age to your preparation so that you can prepare in a structured manner. Students who are not comfortable in Hindi, for them also there are batches taken by good educators who teach only in English, and then there are of course batches for those students who are comfortable in Hindi, and educators are there who are going to teach only in Hindi. So there are educators of every type. Okay. First question. Outlook invites industry stalwarts, medical professionals and policymakers under one roof to discuss about the debate progress in the healthcare sector in Punjab in the last 3 years. So in this question, you have to identify the grammatically or contextually incorrect part. Okay. Outlook invites. Outlook singular noun. So invite singular verb. Correct. Industry stalwarts. Invites whom? Industry stalwarts, medical professionals and policymakers under one roof, that is together, to discuss 2 plus V1. To discuss about and debate progress. 2 plus V1 and here also V1. Debate progress in the healthcare sector. Okay. Now discuss, this word discuss. Discuss will not take any preposition. Okay. Discuss will not take any preposition, only discuss and debate progress. Okay. Discuss takes only one preposition and that is with. So if I can say that I need to discuss the subject with my mentor. So here, see, after discuss, the object, what is the object here? This is the object, okay? So, what am I discussing? I am discussing the subject. Okay, let me change this to make it even more clear so that you don't get confused. Or I can also say lesson. Fine. So, this one. So I will discuss this, and before discuss, after discuss and before the subject, that is in between discuss and the subject, no preposition should be used. I need to discuss about or on. I need to discuss about the topic, on the topic. These are wrong. Okay. Just I need to discuss the topic, and here with whom am I discussing? With my mentor. So with is correct, right? Fine. So here about is wrong. About is incorrect. Okay. Don't use about. So to discuss and debate progress in the healthcare sector in Punjab, in is used here because Punjab is the name of a state. In Punjab in the last 3 years. Last is an ordinal adjective and before that the has been used. Correct. So here the answer is option C. Next. We are making all arrangements such that Amisha, who is studying in Ranchi, faces no hindrance in her studies. Okay. So we are making, we plural. So are is also plural, correct. Making, are verb plus ing, are plus ing. Why? Because the sentence is in continuous tense. Okay. Are making all arrangements. All denotes plural. So arrangements, plural noun. Correct. Such that Amisha, who is studying. Amisha is a name of a person. Okay, this should be in caps. Amisha. Name of a person. So, who has been used. Okay, also here immediately after this a verb is there, and that's why who has been used and not whom. Who is studying in Ranchi? Ranchi, name of a place, and that's why in Ranchi faces no hindrance. Faces, Amisha is a singular noun, and that's why singular verb faces. No hindrance in her studies. Who studies? In Amisha studies. Now here such that is incorrect. Such that. This is incorrect here. Such that denotes an extent. Such that denotes to an extent. To an extent. Okay. But here the sentence wants to mean a purpose. We are making all arrangements. Why? Why are we making all arrangements? Why? So that Amisha, so this is a purpose, who is studying in Ranchi faces no hindrance. So instead of such that, so that should be used. So that Amisha, who is studying in Ranchi, faces no hindrance. Now this is a very typical question. Very typical question, and to be honest, this is a mains level question, this one. Okay. Next. Mobile 2G services were restored on January 25. Okay. So here, mobile 2G services plural. So plural verb were. Were restore. Restore is incorrect because after is, are, was, were, either you have to use V3 or ing. ing is used when the sentence is in active voice, and V3 is used when the sentence is in passive voice. Okay. Here the sentence is in passive voice because this was restored. But who restored it? Who restored it? Who did it? Not known. It is missing. So this is in passive voice. So here you need to use V3, that is restored. So the error is here. Okay. Restored on January 25. So date, and before date on should be used. This is correct. On January 25, though access is. Access singular noun. So is singular verb. Is restricted. Again is plus V3. Okay, is restricted for around 1500. For around 1500 whitelisted websites. Okay. So here you see what is the usage of for. For is used to denote a purpose, right? Or for someone, for something, isn't it? To denote a purpose. Fine. But here what do we want to say? Here we want to say that the access is limited. Restricted means limited. And what is the limit? The limit is this. When you want to denote a limit, for restricted, then the preposition that is used is to. Access is restricted to around 1500 whitelisted websites. Okay. Because here you want to denote an upper limit. That's why you have to use to and not for. For is used for denoting purpose. Okay. So in this question there are two errors. The errors are in parts A and part A and C. Okay. Next. Rahul Gandhi, responding to the court's decision on social media, said that the BJP had disrespected every Indian woman by arguing in the SC that women army officers were inferior than men. So Rahul Gandhi, responding to the court's decision on social media, said that the BJP name of a party, and before that the should be used. Had plus V3, had disrespected every plus singular noun. So singular noun woman. Correct. Every Indian woman by arguing is a preposition plus gerund. Okay, this is correct. By arguing in the SC Supreme Court that women army officers plural noun, and that's why women also plural. Correct. That women army officers were plural noun, then plural verb were inferior than men. So remember this, that all the adjectives that ends in IOR, adjectives that end in IOR should be followed by 2 and not than. Okay, like inferior. Inferior ends in IOR. Here, IOR. Then you have superior. Then you have exterior. Senior. Okay, these adjectives end in IOR, 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 and these should be followed by 2. Okay, like Ram is senior to Mohit. Okay, so ends in IOR, and that's why 2 should be used. If you use than, then it will be incorrect. Okay, fine. So here than is incorrect. Instead of than, 2 should be used. Inferior to men. Okay, so the error is in part D. Next, with the BJP facing anti-CAA protests, state Congress leaders hope to do well. Okay, BJP facing anti-CAA protests, state Congress hope to do well. 2 plus V1 to do well. Congress leaders, wait, yeah, leaders, plural noun, so plural verb hope, then 2 plus V1, hope to do well. Well is an adverb, for the verb do. Okay, but they is used for leaders, which is plural. They must put, must plus V1, this is correct, must put their own house on order. Now this is an idiom. Okay, put own house in order. Put own house in order means what? Manage one's own problems. Okay, so here instead of on, in should be used. This was an error related to idioms. Okay, put their own house in order, that is they should be able to manage their own problems properly. Option D. Next, revenue tribunals are proposed. Tribunals, plural verb, so plural noun, so this will be followed by plural verb. Are proposed, V3, are plus V3, proposed in every district. Every plus singular noun, district, correct. 2 plus V1, to dispose of disputes and simplify. 2 plus V1, simplify land ownership under the proposed new revenue law. Okay, now here you see the error is in this part, this one, dispose of. This is the correct word. So O double F will not be used. OF, single F. Dispose of means to get rid of, right? So they should get rid of disputes and simplify land ownership under the proposed new revenue law. Okay, so the error is in part B. Next question. In recent years, there have been many protests. Protests, plural noun. So that's why you have many, which denotes plural, and also plural verb have. Okay, have plus V3. Have been many protests. Against, protests are done against something, so against projects, which occupy not only fertile agricultural lands but also cause ecological damage. Okay, so there is something called parallelism. I hope you must have studied this parallelism, that is two parts of sentences which are joined using connectors should have parallel construction, should have the same construction. Okay, so here you see two parts of sentences are joined using not only and but also. So after not only, the part that has not only should have the same construction as the part that has but also. So here after but also you have a verb. Okay, so here after not only also you need a verb. Okay, so occupy should not stay here. Here it is, the position of occupy is wrong, which not only projects, which not only occupy. So occupy will come this in this position. So just change the position of occupy. So which occupy, which not only occupy fertile agricultural lands but also cause ecological damage. Okay, so here you have to change the position of the verb, place the verb after not only, okay, to maintain parallelism. So the error is in part B. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this session. Please like the session, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.